I bought a new platform feeder today, and that is for the jay with the bum leg, and maybe the mourning doves, because they're always trying to land on these feeders. I was throwing stuff on the ground, but it's causing a lot of sprouting of, I think they're sunflowers. So hubby's not so happy about that. So now we just have to wait and for the jay with the bad leg to not only come back, but to learn that there's a feeder here that's more accessible for him. Okay, I have a second injured jay. This one appears to, I think, be missing an entire foot. There he's just trying to eat. Okay, that's the one with the bum right leg. There's another one that's in here today that's completely missing a foot. But it's the other foot, it's his left foot. And the other jays were harassing him. He never made it to the feeder. Come on, go to your new feeder. Go to your new feeder. He keeps going to the peanut feeder because he's accustomed to that. But he can't land on it very easily. He's trying just to like move his wings the whole time. Oh wait, he went. Yay. He figured it out. I'm also trying some peanut butter suet. Suet doesn't last long here, so I decided just to buy one cake at a time, because when I bought a dozen, they went rancid after I used about 4 of them. They see a lot of bird activity under the tree where the feeders are, and I think it attracts them. Oh, I think she just saw me. Okay, they're all right now. They're finding seeds, I bet. Actually, there's mealyworms probably from, oops, wrong way. I bet there's mealyworms that have come out of that feeder there, the squirrels. I think the squirrels just want the nuts. I think I see the squirrels dropping the mealyworms. But these folks will eat it. He's on alert for something. Amazon just came like just a few minutes ago. That's why I got up to get the packages and I saw them. I'm surprised they didn't take off when the Amazon guy came. I don't know if this is the same pair that's been across the street because the male looks different. He's not as full out plumage. Doesn't look quite filled in as adult coloring. Adult mating color? What do they call that? Breeding plumage or something? So maybe this is a different couple, or she's taken up with a different guy. That's a bunch of drama right there. Uh-huh. There's the little teepees again. It's windy out there, so birds are landing on the feeder as well as the wind blowing it around. The one on the back side is really red. I was hoping that the feeder would turn around again, or that the yellowy orange one would come. Oh wait, my turn. Is that my orange one there? No, I think that's just one with just a little bit of red. It's hard to tell. Females. I've been having a summer tanager come, a female, but I can never seem to get her on camera. She's very wary. Maybe we'll get lucky. The male comes. I've never seen him, but I bet there's one out there. There they come. Car stopped for them, thank goodness. I was afraid to turn my camera on just in case.
Not in bloom yet. They bloom around.
They're coming to see
May,
if the squirrels have done them any favors. We now have grackles. 2 of them. They've been very hard to film. They're very wary. Obviously they don't feel welcome or trusting.